Hello, my name is Joe Marvesi. I work as a civil engineering designer for Landmark Science and Engineering, a company in Newark, Delaware that provides engineering, surveying, and environmental science services to public and private clients to help them with their land development and site improvement projects. When my family moved from South Philadelphia to Delaware, my very first job was working at the Christiana skating rink in Newark. I was what they called a roller referee, wearing a black and white striped shirt and whistle while skating around the wooden rink, making sure that no one got hurt or caused any trouble. It was a great first job as a 16-year-old. I was always interested in K'NEX, Legos, and other building toys growing up, and in high school I discovered the engineering software Autodesk. With this, I was introduced to the world of engineering and decided to pursue civil engineering as a career. I started at Delaware Tech and transferred to the University of Delaware, where I earned my bachelor's degree in civil and environmental engineering. I later went to Norwich University in Vermont, where I earned a master's degree in water resource engineering and am currently pursuing my professional engineer license. To become a professional engineer, you have to pass the first of two tests called the Fundamentals of Engineering, or FE exam, which can be taken at any time during your college career. The best time is after junior year, when your classes would have gone through the large majority of everything covered within the FE. After I passed the FE, I became an engineer in training, or EIT. I have worked for a civil engineering firm for a little over 6 years, 2.5 of which with Landmark. In Delaware, it will take 4 years post-bachelor's documented employment under an actively registered engineer and 3 years post-master's to be eligible to take the professional engineer, or PE exam. Each state has slight changes to when eligibility starts, so make sure to look up the governing bodies of your state you wish to test in. After passing the FE, I will be able to legally practice civil engineering and become a professional in my field. My responsibilities at Landmark as a civil engineering designer include creating and designing ways to convey rainwater from storms and sewer water from buildings in their respective piping systems to areas that will either clean or treat the water for future use. An example of this is the work my company did with the new Everett Meredith Middle School in Middletown. I also design residential and commercial properties and make sure that during the construction processes, loose soil and debris do not pollute nearby areas or waterways by use of various erosion control methods. These practices help with rehabilitating older areas to be more usable and functional and allow future growth and development for the community for years to come. I enjoy this career due to the creativity and problem-solving aspects in each project. Being given a problem and finding a solution is a great sense of accomplishment.